Shirley.
Good morning, Mark.
How are you?
I'm okay. I'm fresh out of bed.
We're headed into the port of Puerto Quetzal where is it?
In Guatemala. And then we're going from there to Antigua, which is a nice little city, which is...
a UNESCO World Heritage Site.
Yes, and we get to check one more UNESCO World Heritage Site off our bucket list.
I think you have an interesting fact about Guatemala.
Well, Guatemala's number one producing is coffee. And Puerto Quetzal is the largest seaport on the Pacific coast.
Did you know that Guatemala is the same size as Ohio?
It is the same, roughly the same size as Ohio. And it's comprised of Spanish people who originated in Spain and Mayans. And it's quite an interesting place for culture and foods.
And also, last time we were here, we went to a ruin called Tikal. That was a wonderful experience. Today, Chris, we're going on a hop-on, hop-off tour in Antigua, and I found a restaurant that features your favorite food.
Pepien.
That's right. The only other place we've been able to get it is in Palm Springs at Merced.
Yay, Marisol.
Yeah.
Yeah, normally Pepien, the reason we have a hard time finding it in Central America is that it's normally served at weddings and very big, special, celebratory events.
That's right.
So it's kind of exciting to try their version of Pepien. I'm sure I love Marisol, but I would like to try the actual authentic from the country. So I'm excited about that.
Let's do it.
Let's do it.
Have a wonderful day.
Ole, ole. Oh, that's Mexico.
No, we need a Guatemala.
Yeah, not Guatemala. We got to find a new one. We'll see you guys all later.
Bye.
Bye.